Hey guys, I hope you all are well. I'm Sunita and today I'm going to show you this beautiful flowering plant which is known as orange blossoms, orange jasmine, madhu kamini, mock orange, satinwood or Murraya paniculata. This plant fills the air of your garden with a sweet smell and it also attracts bees, birds or butterflies to your garden. This is such a beautiful plant that flowers almost throughout the year, and surprisingly, caring for this plant is very easy. This plant has beautiful oval, shiny, deep green leaves that are alternately arranged. If you look closely, you will notice that this plant has compound leaves consisting of 9 or more leaflets. This plant can grow up to 8 to 12 feet. Orange jasmine is native to China, Taiwan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, and other countries of Southeast Asia, as well as Northern Australia. In this video, I'll talk about its light, water, soil, fertilizer requirements, common pests, along with pruning and repotting timings. This plant likes full sun throughout the year. During summer, if in case the temperature increases more than 40 degrees Celsius, then you can put it in a semi-shade location where it receives few hours of direct sunlight. This plant thrives at 16 to 32 degrees Celsius. If the temperature in winter goes below 7 degrees Celsius, then you need to place this plant under the shade where it receives at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. These plants can be grown in a variety of soil types, but well-drained, moderately moist, acidic soil is the best option. For my plant, I have taken 1 portion of good garden soil, 1 portion coco peat, 1 portion perlite, half portion vermicompost, and a small portion of bone meal. This plant likes to be moist. You should keep the soil moist, but always ensure it should not be soggy. You can water this plant fully, then wait for the top 2 inches of soil to dry, then water again. If you will ensure to water it moderately, then it will stay green and keep flowering. You can fertilize this plant in every 2 months with a handful of a mix of organic vermicompost and bone meal. Occasionally you can give it mustard cake fertilizer after soaking it in water for 24 hours. Mustard cake is a natural organic fertilizer and it contains all nutrients plants need for their growth. Orange jasmine flowers are wonderfully fragrant and smell like orange blossoms. If you see carefully, then you will find that they resemble orange flowers as well. And that's why this plant is called orange jasmine. The flowers tend to smell most strongly in the evenings. This plant produces flowers from June to March. The Murraya paniculata grows very quickly while young and may need several prunings to keep its good shape. You can prune this plant as needed to manage branches that are dead, damaged, or diseased. You should always avoid harsh pruning. It's best not to remove more than 1/8 of the shrub's total growth per year. Propagation of orange jasmine can be done with seeds or cutting. It is typically easiest to propagate with stem cuttings. Select a cutting from a portion of the plant that does not have flowers. Strip all leaves from the cutting and plant them in peat, sand, or another rooting medium. You can add a rooting hormone to promote root growth. After the cutting has rooted, you can transfer it to a container. It should grow quickly once established in its new home. When grown in containers, orange jasmine should be repotted when it begins to outgrow the container. To transfer an established plant to a larger container, trim off any dead foliage. Water the roots thoroughly so that you can pull out the plant and root ball along with the soil to transfer it to new container. The roots are fragile, so be especially careful not to damage them in the process. The best time to repot this plant is the spring season. Although this species doesn't usually have problems with diseases, it will attract certain pests. You may see scale, white flies, and sooty mold. Scale appears as fine white lines or scaly bumps on leaves and stems. They are insects that suck the sap from plants, removing essential nutrients. White flies can transmit disease to the plant and can promote sooty mold. You can treat scale by pruning infected branches. Applying neem oil spray can treat all three problems. Whenever you notice any such problem with your plant, take 2-3 ml neem oil, mix it in 1 liter water and do the spray. This is all about orange jasmine or Murraya paniculata. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.